How's it going, guys? So I got my buddy's truck in my shop, okay, and the DPF was getting plugged again and again, and then I had a feeling that the head seals, the valve seals, they might be leaking, and that's exactly what's going on. That's really bad. That's number 6. That's number 5. Well, they are leaking pretty bad. And then you can see the manifold. This is a manifold. Anyways, so we are taking the head apart, get it rebuilt, push it out the door. Have a good one, everybody. There's a Cummins ISX15 on a pretty sick Peterbilt. Right, so today's update on the liners and on the block. Okay, so basically number 1 was counterboard to 30 thou. Rest of them were not. And if you see the shim on number 3, that liner was already moving. Could have dropped any time. So we ended up making them all same 30 thou. As I said before, number 1 was a little bit deeper than the rest of them. So now they're all 30 thou. They're all even. 4, 5, 6. So the new liners, they already have shims on them. We're gonna put a 30 thou shim, and she should be all equal. No more Mickey Mouse shit. She'll be done proper. Stay tuned, everybody. What's going on? So we got the front cover, the gears back on with new bushings. So we put new bushings on it. Everything is torqued properly. Things are looking pretty good. The front seal is on as well. That's your new crank seal. Waiting for the parts now. I think they're coming on Monday. What's going on? So this is where we are at right now on this belt. So all the gears are back on. I even buttoned up the front cover. The balancer is on temporary because I had to do a valve set. And everything's done internally as well. As you can see, all the valves are adjusted. The internal actuator wiring is on as well. Injectors were in as well. Even the injector connectors, I taped them so that no dust goes in it. So things are looking pretty good. We're gonna bang her next week. Going, guys, so we are done with this job. Just came back from a road test. Hopped the hood to check the leaks. There is none. She goes very good. Let's see the intake. That's the intake on it. She sounds very crispy. Now we're gonna fire it up. Sick. Ha 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 ha.